Well, today we're going to build a Astro Spectra from spare parts. Here's a chassis, nothing in it, just a piece of cast aluminium, and we'll add a few components to that. Soldering iron not needed, screwdriver needed, pair of pliers, possibly an Allen key. We'll see how we get on with this. Right, with the underside first, drop the RF board in, the synth board, that goes there. You've got to remember to have that linking piece in the right way around. That seems to be in there. This then plugs into here. There we go. That's in. Matter of screws next. Some people put the PA on at this stage, I don't. And yeah, we'll just screw that down. That's a bit boring, so we'll stop with it. Right, that's all the screws in. There's a tin cover that goes over the synthesizer, etc. There we go, that's gone in nicely. And I think we're done with that side. Let's have the board over. Right, next thing will be the command board in there, the Vocon board on top of it, and the receiver front end, etc. in here. So let's get on with that shortly. Right, got a command board handy. Put a bit of thermal paste in the right places. And we'll try and get this in here. It's got to interconnect with that piece there. It's easier to do with the PA removed, so it's going to help. We're going to get it. Is it going to play? Right. There we go. So we'll screw that in, just a couple there, and then we'll look at the receiver and the Vocon board. So that's the next step. Right, the receiver. This will be fiddly. We've not got to worry about the PA, but we just need to plonk that into the RF board, and this has to make its way around there. Oh, okay. Let's just see if I can press that in. Well, that went in easy. So that's there, that will plug in there. No rush to do that. And the PA plug will go in there. That's where the antenna gets to it. So, yeah, that's looking good. Right, here's a Vocon board. It's actually a Spectra Plus Vocon board. Add to my collection. Put its tin cover on. And in it goes. Right. Right, they're not crimped together, but we won't worry about that. Screw in each corner. It's all sort of coming together now. So what have we got next? I'll tighten that down, look for a PA, and then the front. So it's fast becoming a radio. Here's a tricky little bit we've got to do. Connecting the PA, there's a PA, we're taking the lid off it, because we have to for one reason or another. But, quite a nice PA unit, and I've been in there before because I put a BNC on it, which helps a lot with connecting. Right. There's 2 holes at the back of the set. I don't know if I'll catch this on video very well, but these little coaxial connectors go in there, and I'm probably going to need pliers. No, there we are, that one's in. That's a transmit one, and the receive one goes to the top half of there. Well, I've done them both by hand. And there's a multi-way connector that connects to the command board, bringing everything in from the back: power, programming information, audio. That's done. So just a couple of the first one will go in there. Yeah. Hopefully that'll hold it all together. And the other one sneaks in from the back. It's there. Nicely done. Just checking the other one's tight. There we go. So that's the PA on. What's needed next? Lids, and then the front. Oh, there's another little challenge. Yes, I had to use a pair of pliers to put that on. And when they were originally made by Motorola, they put a piece of masking tape holding that down. Don't quite see the sense in it, but we'll see. And next we need a front. See what we've got. As a temporary measure, I'll use a homemade interconnecting piece. Let's try that for size. That's in. Yeah, that's in. And there's a W7 front. That goes on. That's what we need the Allen key for, just to hold the front on. I want to over tighten this because I'll be using a genuine interconnecting piece when I can find one. Right, we just need the lids on. Oh, the PA lids first. Do that. Rather good at cutting your hands, these are. Right. No cut. Oh, there's a cutout. Ah, yes, I see. Nicely on. And the lid. Screws. So, next time we see this radio, the lids will be on. I'll plug a mic into it, and a connector to get the audio out. In fact, I might use one that's got a programming device on it, programming cable on it. So we'll see if this works. It's gone from a piece of aluminium to a radio. Let's wait until we've finished it and try and see if we can get a QSO.
Anyway, a nice signal. You've done well with the construction of the radio. Absolutely fine, nice and clear, nice level audio, and yeah, as normal really. Sounds just the same as normal. So yeah, interesting little project that. Build up from scratch. Very good. But what do you want to do? You want to get a recording from me, or you've already taken some of this? It doesn't really matter. Yeah, back to you, Phil. G6GIY, G4NOY.
Yeah, G4NOY from G6GIY. Yes, I'll take a piece of that last audio. I'm recording the front of the radio now. So yeah, I can come up on DMR in about 5 or 6 minutes after the end of this QSO. I think I've got to shuffle antennas around for that. But for the benefit of this video, you're about 42 miles from me out to the west, with not exactly a line of sight. There is some high ground between us. But I'm using 15 watts at the moment, and this radio has a capability of 15 or 48, so I've set it. So there we go, and it's got a cracking receiver on this one. It's one I think I'll keep myself. So just give me 5 minutes and I'll come up on DMR and give you a test on a DMR radio. Now, that's it on P25 for the time being. 73s.
Yeah, 73s. Yeah, equally, same as you. I'm running 15 watts with Astro Spectra that can do over 40. So, yeah, we'll be absolutely no trouble at all. Okay, Phil, catch you later. Just give me a shout on local, on DMR when you're ready. I'll be listening here anyway. Cheers.
Cheerio.